guys! Today I am going to show you how to do this hairstyle right here. It is a really pretty messy, kind of laid back French twist hairstyle, which looks pretty impressive in my opinion. I always think this looks very elegant, but it's actually super quick and easy to do, and I mean like under 5 minutes easy. Say maybe 2 minutes actually, if you skip the first couple of steps that I'm going to do today. It is a perfect kind of run out the door, but still look put together hairstyle in my opinion. So let's get started right away. Since this is a rather messy type of hairstyle, I'm going to start by giving my hair a little bit of texture. My hair is pretty sleek and straight on its own, so I'm going to make some kind of messy waves here and there. Before I do that, I'm going to start out with a heat protector on my hair first, to make sure I don't damage it too much. I'm just going to kind of spray this all over. Alright, and then I am going to go straight over with a sea salt spray. And this is going to help give my hair even more texture, and the reason I'm applying this before curling my hair is I always feel like when I have curled my hair and then I mist it with something wet, the curls just fall down. So I'm gonna try and avoid that by spraying my hair before curling it. So just a little bit of texturizing sea salt spray. I'm gonna spray that in my hair as well. I'm going to use this tapered curling wand today, which is kind of wider at the base and then gets thinner towards the tip. This will just give me some pretty kind of messy-ish curls. Okay, so again, it's a messy hairstyle, so I'm not going to spend too much time curling my hair. So I've just split my hair down the center, pulled both of these sections to the front. So I'm just going to take a section from the back here, wrap it around the wand, hold it for a few seconds, and then let go behind my back. And I'm gonna do that to all of my hair, and I'm just taking kind of random sized sections, so a bigger one here and then a smaller one there. And I'm also not going to pay too much attention to whether I twist the hair or not. So I just want loads of different kind of sized curls, and I'm also going to alternate curling directions, if I can remember. I'm so used to curling everything in the same direction now, so yeah, let's do this one towards my face. Alright, I have given my hair a few minutes to cool down, so now I'm just going to kind of shake up these curls, waves, texture things. Kind of run my fingers through. Okay, so let's move on to the actual twisting part of the hairstyle. So I feel like many people struggle with a French twist, but a messy one like this is actually super easy to do. I feel like it's one of the easiest hairstyles to just, you know, throw together when you're in a hurry. So I'm gonna turn around here. First I'm going to gather all of my hair into a low ponytail, and then I'm going to kind of smooth back the top of my hair like that, where I have my parting. So then I am going to kind of hold my hair in my hand like this, with my thumb kind of holding the rest while it is all wrapped around my fingers. And I'm going to roll the hair around my hand like that, and grab onto it, pull my hand out, and kind of roll and tuck this, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to kind of shove it into that little flap of hair. Sorry, that's such a disgusting word. But I'm just kind of pushing all of the hair into the other side, like that. I'm gonna tug at the top here a little bit to create a bit of volume. And now it's time to take some bobby pins. And I feel like this is actually the trickiest part, is to pin this correctly. So I'm going to slide a pin into the roll in that direction, and then kind of scrape across my scalp and then push it in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna just grab onto a little bit of hair right here, then slide it in and push it in the opposite direction. I'm gonna do that a few times, just all along this edge of that twist. And you don't actually need many pins at all to make this last, but depending on your hair's texture and, you know, how long you want to wear this for, you may want to add a few extra, just to be sure it is really secure. So in the front, I am going to just pull out a few pieces here to frame my face nicely. Let me just grab a mirror and check from the back. This is something I always do when I do an updo. I want to make sure everything looks good from the back as well. Alright, and then wherever I feel like it could use a bit more volume or be a bit messier, I'll just tug at the hair and kind of pull it out. Okay, so I do have a little bit of hair right here, like this bit right here that I'd like to get rid of, so I'm just going to push that in and I'm going to tuck it away with a bobby pin. Yeah, much better. Alright, so here is your super simple, super quick, and I think pretty elegant looking messy French twist updo. So like I mentioned, it is actually super easy to do. You just need to fumble around a little bit with the pinning and the twisting, but once you get that down, it is so quick to do, and I feel like this is a really pretty hairstyle, you know, for a work day or just at home, wherever you want. I feel like this is one of those hairstyles that's just suitable for many occasions. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for loads more hair tutorials. If you would like to support me on Patreon, I will have a link in the description box below. Thank you so much. There will be another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!